Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome at this YouTube channel. I hope you are well and mostly taking I have come. If you think that how do you remove your fear in yourself and you would speak fluent and you would do better response yourself, I think that you can do and taking I have come a new ideas for to you. I think that if you are going to speak, if you are going to listen of people and you think that you are the most unlucky person in this world, in this society, then in your mind come thoughts wrong. What are you thinking? Only you focus for yourself, only you give time, increase your mentality, you would give time your habits and maintain your knowledge. I think that if you are going to think, if you improve, if you want to go and you think in your mind, I am not do, I cannot make better response on self, then you are thinking wrong. Seeing lot of people and make better to you that people. I think that when we do something in our life, then discipline is the most important and he give a role for to you, for your habit, for your behavior of people and how you are watching and how you are behave of other people. I think that it is the most important part to you and you can do make strong yourself, you can do improve yourself and you think in your mind what are you going to do. I think that discipline is the bridge between goal and accomplishment. Who is right in this blackboard? I so I think that there is nothing. I think everything is don't know. Who I go to forget. I write and I teach to you. I think that if you are going to listen of people and lot of people would like to you, when you would do better your between of people, I think guys, and you can do everything in your life. After some time, what think how success people, how professional think front of to you. According to me, how I read in this book, successful professional know careful listening and they think about his ambition because they know that if I would do as I can change everything in ourselves and they do better, they make better and they give time of his goal of his ambition in his life. You should try to do and you can achieve everything in your life. I hope you would give time yourself.